Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's going to change the way you think about homemade bread, the CUCKOO CBM-AAB101S 2 pounds bread maker with auto dispenser. We found this fantastic bread maker online, and you can check out the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the CUCKOO CBM-AAB101S? This is not just any bread maker, it's a versatile machine that allows you to bake fresh, homemade bread right in your kitchen. With the ability to create loaves of 1, 1.5, or 2 pounds, it caters to various household needs, whether you're baking for yourself or for family gatherings. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this bread maker. One of the most impressive aspects is its customizable size and crust settings. You can choose from light, medium, or dark crusts, ensuring that your bread comes out just the way you like it every time. This level of customization makes it perfect for bread enthusiasts who appreciate the finer details of home baking. Another fantastic feature is the automatic MIX-IN dispenser. This built-in component allows the bread maker to add nuts and fruits during the kneading process, ensuring even distribution and a gourmet touch to your bread without any extra effort on your part. Imagine biting into a warm loaf of bread, perfectly studded with your favorite mix-ins. What about speed? The CUCKOO bread maker is designed with a high wattage heater that can bake your bread up to 20 minutes faster than standard bread machines. In our fast-paced lives, this is a game-changer for those days when you want fresh bread in a hurry. The machine also boasts an impressive selection of 15 menu options, which include gluten-free, whole wheat, dough, and even cake settings. This versatility means that whether you have dietary restrictions or just a craving for something sweet, this bread maker has got you covered. Now, who is this bread maker suitable for? If you're a busy parent looking to provide healthier homemade bread for your family, or a baking novice eager to explore the world of bread making without the hassle, this machine is perfect for you. Even seasoned bakers can appreciate its features and speed, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen. Let's also consider some practical use cases. Picture this: it's a chilly evening, and you want to enjoy the comforting aroma of fresh bread wafting through your home. You simply set the timer, select your desired crust and size, toss in some ingredients, and let the machine work its magic. Whether it's a classic white loaf for sandwiches, a hearty whole wheat bread for breakfast, or even a sweet raisin bread for dessert, the CUCKOO bread maker makes it all incredibly simple. And with the all-in-one accessory set that comes with the machine, including a non-stick pan, kneading paddle, measuring cup, and spoon, you can start your baking journey right out of the box. The included manual also provides clear instructions, making it easy for anyone to get started. In summary, the CUCKOO 2 pound bread maker with auto dispenser is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to elevate their home baking experience. With its customizable options, automatic mix-in feature, fast baking performance, and